Hi friends, this is a wood carving lathe that I've made of wood. As you can see, it is a drill powered lathe that I have made, and I will have a demonstration done right away. So this drill placed here, okay, and then we secure it. After it's secured, then we place the another clamp over here. It's a wooden clamp. And then we take the specimen, for carving, and we'll just adjust it. We'll just move this movable solder to the back. Okay, and then we will secure this inside this. Okay. And then we adjust this other holder closer, okay, and then we adjust this one. This is the other movable okay. Then everything is adjusted, and now we can just turn it on. This is likewise, you can create lots of designs,